In this video, we'll go over how to use a random integer as an index for an array. Okay, so if we have an array, let answers equal, and we'll do magic 8 ball. So yes, no, ask again later. Okay, so we have this array of there are 3 items, item 0, item 1, item 2. If we want to be able to randomly select one, we need to make an index variable. So we'll have let index, and the random function, arc for random, generates a variable that is very, very large. So we want to be able to confine these answers to just 0, 1, or 2. So for this we can use modulo. And if you recall, modulo is the % sign, and you use modulo to find the remainder. So if I said 5 modulo 2, that's 5 divided by 2, and the remainder of that is 1. So you get 1. So 5 divided by, let's say, 3 is 5 divided by 3 is 1, remainder 2, so you'll get 2 as a remainder. So whatever number you use as the divisor in modulo, that's the possible range of outcomes. So we can say if we get arc for random modulo 3, every time we run, we'll get a value either 0, 1, or 2, the possible remainders when we divide by 3. So in this case, it's 0. Watch me get 0 twice in a row. Come on, give me something different. There we go. There's a 1. So it'll give you 1. So you could get any one of these 3 responses. The problem is that this also is not an integer. If I tried to use, let's say, print answers and then use the index variable now, you're going to get an error that says that you can't use the uint32 data type as an index in your array. So all we need to do is convert this into an integer. So I could use the int function to convert my random number 0, 1, or 2 into an integer, and now, see, I get one of my answers. So since it was 1, I get the answer no. If I run it again, I'll get 2 and ask again later.